In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and adjust your inbox type in Gmail. Whether you're new to Gmail or just want to make sure your settings are optimized, this guide will help you ensure you're catching every email you need. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your Gmail account and look for the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will pull up a drop-down menu where you'll find the option that says See All Settings. Go ahead and click on that to open up the settings page. You might notice that Gmail settings are divided into different categories, but for our purposes today, we're going to focus on the Inbox tab. You can find it among the tabs lined up at the top, so click on that to continue. In this Inbox tab is where you can make changes to how your emails are grouped and displayed. One important setting within this tab is the inbox type. Here you want to make sure that this setting is set to default. The default setting is designed to provide a balanced view of your new and important emails by categorizing them into sections like primary, social, promotions, and more. This way, it helps you to prioritize your emails better and ensures important messages don't get missed in the shuffle. However, if you've played around with personalization in the past, it's a good time to take a moment to double-check any customizations you've applied. Customizing can be an incredibly useful tool, yet it's essential to make sure you haven't unintentionally excluded certain emails by tweaking settings too heavily. Sometimes these adjustments can lead to important emails being automatically sorted into less visible sections, or even considered as less important inadvertently. Remember, the default view is configured to streamline your incoming mail and work effectively for the majority of users. But if you find that it isn't working for you, don't hesitate to experiment with other types. Options like Priority Inbox or Starred First can be particularly helpful if you need specific types of emails right in front of you without the visual noise of less urgent messages. As always, it's crucial to take a moment every so often to evaluate your settings so that your inbox can continue to serve you efficiently. After making sure the inbox type is set to your preferred choice that suits your workflow, you can freely explore other settings to further tailor your Gmail experience. And that's it. You've just checked and adjusted your Gmail inbox type. By following these steps, you've ensured that your inbox is organized in a way that makes it easy to manage and keep track of your correspondences. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.